We are looking at R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 10 Maths, Chapter 15, Exercise 15.4. Four equal circles. Now we have four equal circles, each of radius A. They touch each other. Show that the area between them is this much. So this circle, see, if you see this center being joined and the radius is A, the side of the square which is being formed here is 2A. So side of square being formed is 2A. So what we have to do is we have to find the area of the square and we have to subtract this 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants from here. But the quadrant are nothing but a circle. If you combine these four quadrants, they will make a circle only. I hope you got the idea. So we have this four quadrants, that means this one. Say, let me take this one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 is this one, 2 is this one, 3 is this one, and 4 is this one. So they are forming a circle. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. What is the radius of the circle here? A. So pi a square. And what is the area of the, what we have to do is area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrant. So this is the area of the 4 quadrant. And this is the area of the square will be equal to 2a whole square, that is side square. So it will be 4a square. So we have to subtract these two. So 4a square minus this pi, that is 22 by 7a square. This is going to be 7 for the 28 minus 22 by 7a square. And this is 6 by 7a square. This is what was expected. A child makes a poster on a chart paper drawing a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter. She draws 4 circles with center A, B, C, D here, in which she suggests different ways to save energy. The circles are drawn in such a way that each circle touches externally 2 of the 3 remaining circles in the given figure. If the shaded region of the in this region, she writes, save energy, find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. So perimeter, that means this length and this area. So area we have already seen that how to find out. We have already been provided these radius. So this side is 14, total side is 14 and the radius is 7. So we have to find out the area of the square in order to find out the middle region. So area of the square, then we have to subtract the area of the 4 quadrant here. Area of the square is what? Side is 14. So 14 into 14, that is 14 square minus area of 4 quadrant. As I said, it will be combining to a single circle and radius is 7. So it will be 22 by 7, radius is 7 into 7. So this will be 196 and this will be 154. That is going to come as 42 centimeter square. So this is 42 centimeter square. This is the area. How about the perimeter of this one? See, if I combine these 4 quadrants, they will form a circle. And we have to find out the internal lines. This one, that is this one, this one, this one and this one. So we have to find out the circumference. Eventually it is the circumference of the circle. So what is the circumference? It is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7. So it will be 44 centimeter. The diameter of a coin is 1 centimeter. And if such 4 coins be placed on a table, so that the rim of each touches that of the other 2, find the area of the shaded region. So we have this same thing which we just did now, and here what we will do, because the things are given, the diameter is 1 centimeter. The diameter is 1 centimeter, so the radius will be 0.5. Here also 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. And the square is being formed. What is the area of this square? See, this is 0.5, this is 0.5. So the side is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 square is, side square is 1 square, that is 1. So area of the square is 1. And now to find out the area of the 4 quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, they are forming a circle only. So it will be pi r square, means actually 4 quadrants. So 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. That is coming to be pi r square only. So pi r square, 22 by 7, you can write it as 3.14 also. And r square, what is r? See, 0.5 is there. So 0.5 into 0.5 whole square. So what do you get? You get 0.7854 centimeter square. So in order to find out the middle area, you have to subtract this from this. So 1 minus 0.7854, this is going to come as 0.2146 centimeters square. Two circular pieces of equal radius. These are two circular pieces of equal radius and maximum area. So all this is a cardboard. So there is a maximum area of circle. Two circles are being taken off. Touching each other are cut out from a rectangular cardboard. The dimension is, this is 14 length and the height or the width is 7. Find the area of the remaining cardboard. So we have to find out the area of the square first, or rectangle, sorry. Then we have to subtract the area of two circles. So what is the area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth, so it will be 14 into 7 simply. So area of circle. So what is the area of the circle? One circle, let us find out. Area of the circle, we have to find out two of them. So 2 into, what is the area of one circle? Pi r square. What is the radius? From here to here it is 14. So the middle one will be, from here to here it will be 7. So the radius will be 7 by 2. So pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 by 2 whole square. So 14 into 7 is 98, minus this will come as 77, and this will be 21 centimeters square. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other. These are diameter perpendicular to each other, and with OD as the diameter, this OD as the diameter, the smaller circle has been made. Find the area of the shaded portion. So here what we have to do? We have to find out the area of the bigger circle, this circle. So area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Area of the smaller circle. So what is the area of the bigger circle? Because already it is given that this is 7 centimeter. If OA is 7 centimeter, so we have pi into r square. R is what? 7 square. Minus area of this smaller one. What is the area of the smaller one? This is 7. This is 7. So what is the radius of this circle? It will be 7 by 2. So it will be pi into 7 by 2 whole square. So what you have to do? 22 by 7, I am taking it out. 7 square minus 7 by 2 whole square. So this will be 7 square is 49. 7 square 49 by 4. And if you solve it, it is going to come as 115.5 centimeters square. Next is, in this figure, this PSR, RTQ and PAQ. These are three semicircles of diameter 10, 3 and 7. We have to find out the perimeter of the shaded region. So first perimeter means this will be the first semicircle. So area of, let me tell you, or let me just mark it, 1, 2 and 3. So first area, perimeter of the first one. Then we have to add the second one. And then we have to add the third one. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter of the semicircle will be 2 pi r by 2. So it will be pi r. So what will be the radius for the first one? See, it is 10. 10 is the diameter. So radius will be 10 by 2, that is 5. So we have pi into 5 plus. Coming to the second one, this one. So the radius is 3 by 2 because diameter is 3. It will be pi 3 by 2 plus pi. Now coming to this one, third part, 7. So 7 by 2 is the radius. So pi into 7 by 2. So take pi common and just add this 5 plus 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So what do you get? Pi is 22 by 7. This is going to be 10. It will be 31.41 centimeter. So in this figure, two circles with centers A and B, they touch each other at a point. So we have a point C. If AC, this AC, total one, is 8 and this AB is 3. So total is from here to here it is 8, and from this point to this point this is 3. So here AC is 8, AB is 3. So what will be BC? BC will be this whole 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. It will be 5. So 5 is the radius of the inner circle and 8 is the radius of the outer circle. We just have to find out the area of the outer minus area of the inner. Area will be what? Pi r square. So it will be pi r for the bigger one is 8 square, and pi inner circle it will be 5 square. Just take pi outside. 8 is 64, minus 5 is 25. So you get 22 by 7 into 39. So this will be 122.57 centimeters square. Next is in this figure, ABCD is a square of side 2A. So ABCD is a square of side 2A. Find the ratio between the circumference. So we have 1 this one and 1 this one. So for circumference, and area of the inscribed and circumscribed circle. So in order to find out the area or any other thing, we have to find out the radius first. So this is the side, see, this is the side 2A and this is the side 2A. And we know that for a square, if side is A, the diagonal will be A root 2. So this is 2A and this is 2A, so the diagonal will be 2A root 2. Why? Because this is 2A, this is 2A. So this diagonal will be the actual radius of the bigger, it will be helpful for finding the radius of the bigger one and smaller one. So this is 2A root 2, this from here to here. So what is the radius of this circle? This one. What is the radius of this circle? It will be 2A root 2 by 2. So A root 2 is the radius of this circle. A root 2. So this is the, let us say it as capital R. Now we have to find out the radius of the inner circle. So we have this as 2A. This is 2A. So this will be A. This will be A. And this will be the radius. This is A. This is radius. And radius of this one will be what? This side is 2A from here to here. So what is this? This is half. This one is half of 2A. So this will be A. So radius of smaller circle will be A. Okay. So now let us find out the circumference ratio. Circumference of the outer circle will be 2 pi r by 2 pi small r. Capital R, this gets cancelled. Take a capital R is A root 2 and smaller r is A. So you get root 2 is to 1. Coming to the area of the incircle and area of the circumcircle, so pi r square. The circumcircle, so circumcircle is the outer one. So we have to take the incircle, that is the smaller one above and the larger one below. So that is why capital R is in the denominator. Pi cancels. So this r square will be this incircle. So this is the incircle. So pi a square, it will be a square, and this will be equal to, this is the circumcircle. So circumcircle is the bigger one. The radius is a root 2. So a root 2 whole square. So what do you get? It is a square by a square 2. So it is 1 is to 2. So it is not 2 is to 1, it will be 1 is to 2. Why? Because we have to change this. In area of the incircle to circumcircles, incircle is not root 2a, it's a. Small r is a, and this capital R is a root 2. So you just have to switch it off, and this is how. Then switch it, and then 1 is to 2 will be there. In the figure, there are three semicircles, A, B and C, having diameter 3, 3, 3. Another semicircle, E, having a circle D, this one, with a diameter 4.5. So all the diameters, radius, etc. are given. Calculate the area of the shaded region. So how to find out the area of the shaded region? First of all, we will take this bigger semicircle. We will add this semicircle to it, and then we will subtract 1, 2, 3 from here. Okay, let me just name them. First is the bigger one, that is the main one. Then we have this is the second one. Then third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So we have to add 1 plus 2. We have to add 1 and 2. Let me write it here. 1 and 2. And then we have to subtract the 3 and these 4 and 5 from here. But if you see, this is also having radius 3 and this is also having radius 3. So these two are exactly similar. Even if you find out the area, it will be same. So let me just cut these two, because these two will get cancelled out. 2 and 3 cancel. So we have to find out 1 minus 4 minus 5. So what is the area of the bigger one? What is this? This is 9. From here to here it is 9. So it will be pi into pi into area of the shaded portion. Okay, so pi into r. What is the r? 9 by 2 whole square minus 4. Let us take this one or this one, any of these. So it will be pi, and I'm taking half outside. Why? Because it is a semicircle. So pi here, pi, this is 3. So pi 3 by 2 whole square. Then this one, and this is a bigger circle. So let me take this as 2 and this is 2 because it is a proper circle. So I have to add, I'm just taking, this is pi square by r, pi r square by r, and now I am subtracting this one, pi into 4.5 by 2, pi into 4.5 by 2 whole square. This we have to do. Okay, so this will come, if you compute this is going to come as 99 by 8, which is going to come as 12.375. I hope you got the idea what we have done. We have taken the first total one here, then we added this one, second one, then we subtracted these 3 from here. But this one, they are exactly similar. So we can cancel these 2 or these 2. So we cancel this. So 1 minus 4 minus 5, 1 means total one, that is pi, but because it is semicircle, so pi by 2, 9 by 2 is the radius from here to here, it is whole square, minus this one, that is pi by 2, now the radius is 3 by 2 whole square, and again minus this whole circle, that is pi 4 by 2, 4.5 by 2 whole square. Okay, so when we compute this, we are going to get this 12.375 centimeter square. Now what is the rate of the painting? It is 25 paisa per centimeter square. So you just have to multiply this with 25 by 100 because 25 by 100 is in rupees. So it will be actually 0.25. So this will come as 3.09 rupees. Just say that it is 3 rupees. In a figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. Here, ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B, this one, is 90 degree. BC, this BC is 21 centimeter. Now with AC as the diameter, a semicircle is being drawn with BC as the radius. BC, so there is a semicircle, and also with AC, a semicircle is drawn. So BC and AC, they both have a semicircle on it. Find the area of the shaded region correct to 2 decimal places. So what we have to do is, first, we'll try to find out the area of first region, that is because this is the shaded region. So this small portion is also included. This small portion is also included. So first we will find out the area of the triangle, this one. Then we'll find out the area of the semicircle, bigger semicircle, let us say it as 1 and this is as 2. Now we have to add this with the area of semicircle, this one, and then we will subtract the area of this quadrant, this portion, white portion, area of the quadrant. So what is the area of triangle? It is 28 and 21 is already given, so half into base into altitude, 21 into 28. This will be the area of the triangle. What is the area of the semicircle? See, this is AC is the diameter. So first we have to find out the diameter. So 21, 28 is there. The diameter will be found using Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 21 square plus 28 square under root, and this will be 784. This will be 441. Adding to 1225, root of 1225 is 35. So 35 is this radius. So what is the area of this? Pi r square by 2. So it will be pi r square by 2, 22 by 7, half of 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. Because 35 is the diameter, so we have to find out radius, so it will be 35 by 2. Now we have to subtract what? Area of this quadrant. Area of this quadrant. So area of the quadrant will be what? It will be 1 by 4 pi r square. Theta by 360, theta is 90 degree. So theta by 360 into pi r square. So we have to subtract 1 by 4 into pi into r square. What is the radius of this one? It is already given, this 21. So 21 into 21. So this will come to be 294. Then we have plus, so we have to add this one. This will come as 481.25. 481.25. And we have to subtract this 1 by 4 pi r square. This will come as 346.5. and when you compute it, it is going to come as 428.75 centimeters square. Next is in this figure, O is the center of circular arc. So this is center. AOB is a straight line. This is a straight line. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region correct to the 1 decimal plane. So first we'll try to find out the area. The area will be what? This is 12 and this is 16. So we need to have the area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. This we have to do. So area of the semicircle will be what? For that we need radius. For finding the radius, because we have no radius here, but this triangle has hypotenuse as the diameter. So this is 12, this is 16. So this will be 12 square plus 16 square whole square. And this is going to come as under root 400, which is going to be 20. So 20 is the diameter. So 10 will be the radius. 10 will be the radius. So what is the area of the semicircle? It will be pi r square by 2. So pi 22 by 7 pi r square, that is 10 square by 2 minus area of the triangle is simple because base and altitude both are given 12 and 16. 12 into 16. So this will, if you compute this, this is going to come as, this whole will be 157.1 and this is of course 96. So this is 61.1 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find out the perimeter also. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of this is first this half part, which is the semicircular part. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of this, the semicircular part, which is pi r, pi into r, plus 12 plus 16. So this plus this plus this. So plus 12 plus 16. This will be the perimeter. Pi is 3.14 and r is 10 plus 12 into 16, and this will come to be 59.4. So this is the answer. So this we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.